How to use Seedance for free 2026 complete guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a method that some people are using to try Seedance without paying for a subscription. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can check whether it's available for you. First, open your phone and launch any web browser. Then search for yourcouponbox.com and open the website. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Higgsfield Ultra and open the corresponding page. According to reports from users, the site occasionally lists promotional codes that may provide a free trial or promotional access. These codes are usually limited in quantity and can typically only be redeemed once, so availability may vary. If there are no active codes left, you'll need to wait until new ones become available. If you find an available code, tap Show Coupon Code. The website may ask you to complete a few verification or promotional steps before revealing the code. Follow the on-screen instructions, copy the code if one is provided, and then redeem it through the appropriate Higgsfield redemption page if it's valid. If the code is accepted, your account may receive the promotional benefits associated with that code. After that, you can sign in and check whether the included features meet your needs. Keep in mind that promotional offers can